Avbot Avatar Intelligent Equipment Co., Ltd. is famous robot chassis brand in China. Avbot offers robots and mobile solutions for robotic products. With great development, we have established one-stop solutions for global clients, with our own R&D department, production department, Q&C department, sales department, and after-sales department. It's established in 2012 and engaged in manufacturing small robot chassis and air duct cleaning robot. Since 2015, we have successively produced medium and large chassis. In 2018, we developed the underwater chassis. By 2024, we had optimized solutions for underwater dredging and seawater pipeline barnacle cleaning. In 2025, we launched the 4060 kmh high-speed chassis and Amphibious chassis. We also customized e-Power hybrid chassis. Main products: TINS 3 robot chassis, PCG10 kitchen duct cleaning robot, PCs 350E air duct cleaning robot, TINS 6, TINS 6H, TINS 8, TINS 13, TINS 17, TINS 12E, TINS 17E, TINS 17H, AVU 13 underwater robot chassis, AVU 17 DP12 dredging robot, DW 6 wheeled high-speed chassis, SL20 amphibious chassis, TINS 25G high-speed robot chassis, special Christie and Matilda shock absorption for high-speed and off-road, self-developed motor driver with reserved terminals, support upper computer control, standard Modbus for 8.5 Canopin ROS to control, speed loop, displacement loop, precise differential speed closed loop control for S-shaped turns and circular shapes motion, RTAKA autonomous navigation system, Avatar expert in robot solutions.